Despite the increased number of COVID-19 cases around the world in recent days, Director General for the World Health Organization (WHO), Tedros Ghebreyesus, is still optimistic that the virus can be managed. He addressed the current issues at a recent virtual press brief. The WHO boss says many countries reported an increase in hospitalizations, in addition to increase in the number of COVID-19 cases.
Over the weekend, a number of leaders critically evaluated their situation and took action to limit the spread of the virus. We understand the pandemic fatigue that people are feeling. It takes a mental and physical toll on everyone. Working from home, children being schooled remotely, not being able to celebrate milestones with friends and family, or not being there to mourn loved ones, it's tough. And the fatigue is real. But we cannot give up.
Dr. Ghebreyesus says the fight against the COVID-19 pandemic remains everybody's business.
We cannot have the economic recovery we want and live our lives the way we did before the pandemic. We can keep our kids in school. We can keep businesses open. We can preserve lives and livelihoods. We can do it. But we must all make trade-offs, compromise, and sacrifices. For individuals, families, and communities, that means staying at home, especially if you have been exposed to a case. Furthermore, you continue to maintain physical distance, wearing a mask, cleaning your hands regularly, coughing away from others, avoiding crowds, or meeting friends and family outside. For governments, it means doing the same things we have been calling for since day one. Know your epidemic. Break the chains of transmission. Test extensively. Isolate and care for cases. And trace and provide supported quarantine for all contacts.